Manufacturing is hard. There are lots of options. How do you know you're doing it right? Are you struggling to explain your product to your factory? Spending too much time developing your products? Wasting money on endless samples that don't cut it? Frustrated by language barriers and miscommunications? You need a tech pack. A tech pack explains your product design to your factory. It's like a specification, a blueprint, and an instruction manual all in one, so you can manufacture anywhere. Email your tech pack to any factory to receive production quotes. Develop beautiful and high-quality product samples. Start mass production. And keep your product quality on track. Excited to simplify your manufacturing? You should be. It's never been easier to bring a new design to life. We keep it simple with flat pricing and quick turnaround times. We have experience creating tech packs for hundreds of different clothing and textile products. We've got the process down to a science. To get started, you'll need a product design, your fabric information, and a rough prototype. View our pricing now. Avoid expensive mistakes, cut costs, and increase your speed to market.